back, Bulldogs. We are looking now at the insert math equation button. When you click the insert math equation button, it gives you several options. You have a basic, Greek, operations, relationships. This is where you can find greater than, less than. So you can click on those, put those in. You then just can move over to basics. One of the most important ones for us is the fraction. So when you add the fraction, you type in the numerator, move to the bottom, type in the denominator, and then when you're ready to insert that equation, you click on the insert button, and whatever you've typed in will show up in wherever your cursor currently was placed. You can also edit within inside of that, delete it, start over again, and be able to insert wherever your cursor is currently located. So the math equation editor tool. All right, try it in yours and then come back for some more information on how to use the rich text.